before I claim that I want you. Your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to. I don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle of this long.
Back to my channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Although anymore, I'm uploading every single day. So this is a perfect time for you to subscribe and hit the bell and subscribe and hit the bell. Today's a subscriber request wig review. And so let me get the stock card. Today I have Miss Alexa by Sister Wig. Okay, and I have her in the color SOM RT Charcoal. She comes in quite a few colors. This is also a Zury line. I don't know why they're not just the same. I don't know why it's Sister Wigs and Zury, but who knows? That's just how it is. So this is the same company as Zury. This girl is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It does have baby hairs. It's a center part. And it was a lace front wig. I scooped her up from Glamour Trust for just $18.90. I have to say, when I saw this wig on the wig head up there, once I got her out of the package, I was actually like disappointed because she seemed to be so thin, like I could see her wefts on the white wig head, and she just seemed very scraggly. I wasn't having it. But as you see, as I combed her out, she just became like this beautiful charcoal color. This is a very matte colored wig and I love it. And there was this like fullness that came out of it. I did choose to wear a black wig cap just in case, so there wouldn't be an opportunity to see through the wig cap. You'll see everything how I got her together. She's got 2 combs in the back, 2 combs in the back, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. You can see here there are some baby hairs. I wouldn't say, yeah, I guess I would say it's a sort of medium to large wig head. The texture is, it's definitely like a light yaki texture, but I do feel like it could sort of go both ways and sort of in terms of if you want a textured wig or non-textured wig. If you didn't have naturally textured hair, it would kind of just feel like you went swimming and didn't wash your hair. I love how this ended up being. The length on this one, after sort of brushing it out, is, I'm going to say it's in the 26 inch range. I'm getting a tiny bit of shedding, but not a ton. Let's look at her from the back. As soon as I tried her on, I checked out the back to make sure you couldn't see. I won't know until I edit this. I don't see anything now. Like I'm looking in the mirror. I don't currently see any wefts or anything, but I won't be able to see until I edit if the wefts are there or not. Overall, I'm actually really happy with this wig. It's a nice density. This is all the hair to the front. I am 5'6.5", so this is where it falls on me. I love this color wig. You can see there is sort of a slightly darker root. It's not super dark. I think they really did this charcoal gray color really well. I mean, it's not just a gray. It does remind me of like charcoal. There's a matteness to it. Charcoal color. Yeah, like I think they nailed the color. Zury usually is great about their color mixes and nailing their colors and things like that. That was my ring that caught. It wasn't. Yeah. I'm really liking this wig, so let me know, do you have Alexa? And if you do, what do you think of her? What color do you have? If there is another Sister Wig or Zury wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Gotta think before I claim that I want you. Your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to. I don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle. pleasure.